Dr. JJ here. One of the questions I get all the time, almost every day, is how do you make a medicinal strength tea? So I just wanted to go over, first of all, the different kinds of tea. We basically have two kinds, caffeinated and non-caffeinated. The non-caffeinated is typically the herbal types of teas. Herbal teas, of course, are drank by the cup for pleasure, but they're also used from a medicinal point of using a medicinal strength tea to create a physical change in the body. So your caffeinated teas typically include your green tea and your black tea, knowing that you steep those anywhere from 2 to 4 minutes typically. Steeping more than that, you lead to kind of a bitter tasting tea and lose the true flavor of the green or black leaves. Herbal teas you make, like I said, in one of three ways. You can make it by the cup, and if it's by the cup, you're either going to look at see if it's a leaf tea or see if it's a root tea. If it's a leaf tea and you're just making it by the cup, you do it just like you do with a tea bag. You know, you soak it for anywhere from 8 to 10 minutes covered. Take it out, enjoy your cup of tea. If you're trying to make a root tea by the cup because you just want to make something that's medicinal strength and you're on the go, then you're going to do it basically with a method that's called the decoction method. And how you're going to do that is you're going to take your root. This is dandelion root, for example. Great to drink first thing in the morning to curb your blood sugar cravings or sugar cravings. You're basically going to put 1 teaspoon per cup of water. So just put that right on into your pan. Put 1 cup of water in there. Place it on the stove. Put a lid on it and simmer it for 5 to 10 minutes. Turn off the heat. Let it sit for 5 or 10 minutes. Strain it and drink it. That's how you're going to make a root tea on the go. Now, if you're really wanting to do a medicinal strength tea, which a lot of my customers are, because they're looking for you know, a truly medicinal effect, and they're often drinking things as a tonic on a day-to-day basis. For example, the detox tea, great just to help clean out the blood, clean out the liver, support the digestive system. How you drink this, if you're going to make a medicinal strength, is it's easiest just to make it every night before you go to bed. Grab a mason jar. If you don't have a mason jar, old spaghetti jar works, anything, old pickle jar. Go ahead and put 4 tablespoons of your herb in the jar. Oops, suppose I should get a little scooper instead of using my hands. So go ahead and put 4 tablespoons right in here. 2, 3, 4. Great. Then you're going to boil some water. You're going to pour it up over to the top, and then you're basically going to set a cap on there and let it sit overnight, and that's it. In the morning, you'll strain this, and this is what you'll drink each day. If you're on, you know, more of a medicinal track with the herb, for example, trying to drink some detox tea, liver and skin tea, working on your adrenals or to reduce stress, something that you're looking for a long-term effect, drinking a quart a day is the appropriate dosage. Now, when you strain this in the morning, you can then add it to your water bottle, sip on it all day long. You can divide it into 3 cups, reheat it if you want, drink it hot, drink it cold, it doesn't matter. But this is basically the amount that you'll drink each day. And so that's how you make a medicinal strength herbal tea.